Hi my beauties, thank you for clicking on this video. My name is Asia, your favorite homegirl, and here at KCB I just want to encourage all my girl bosses, build your 7 streams of income and create the life that you dreamed of, okay? And as y'all can tell from the title, we're gonna be cleaning up this little raggedy, this mess I call a nail room, KCB headquarters, all that. Let's get into it. Let's get to cleaning. Here we go. Hey guys, okay, so I apologize for the lighting situation. I love being in the basement because I get so much room, but the one thing about the basement that I don't have are natural light or windows. So I didn't want to blind you with my vanity light, so I was just like, all right, I'll turn it off. So I'm sorry for the poor lighting situation. Listen, I bought this from Model Ones. And it's like an acrylic kit. Hold on, let me show you real quick. Hold on. So look, it comes with 5 different colors, colored acrylic or so, whatever. But listen, so I tried it. Oh, this lighting is not good. I turned my whatchamacallits off because I felt like there was a glare. Bam! She needs help. She needs help. Somebody help me. No, but seriously, okay, so look. What was I saying? Oh, the acrylic or whatever. She getting old. Her knees. She can't drop it like it's hot. Like these knees right here, they ain't somebody help me up off the floor. But no, seriously, okay, so I was truly gonna do a review of the Model One's acrylic, but she tried it. That's how I felt about trying it, okay? And I saw a review, but I didn't even watch the review. I didn't watch it. She said one word in her title that made so much sense. And you know what the word was? Slow setting. And Linda, listen. When she said that, it made sense as to why I was struggling with it. Or like why I was, and I only struggled with it for 2 hot seconds, like 2 hot seconds, and I knew, I'm not going to do this. I'm not going to do this. So I'm asking you guys, do you want me to do a review on that? It was like $41 online, so it definitely is cheap, and it comes with a whole kit. I can try to find everything that came with the kit and act like it was a true unboxing. But let me know in the comments down below if that is what you want me to do. Do you want me to do a little review on the Model One's acrylic kit? All right, let's get back to cleaning. Here we go. Okay, my beautiful people, that's the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed cleaning up this room. Boom. I don't want to blind you. But if you like this video, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Okay, I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye. Thank you for watching.